Owning a Hero Hair custom wig is an experience like no other company provides. When you send us an inquiry from our website, your completely personalized, one-on-one relationship with our team begins. Before you commit to the commission, we are here to answer every question you have about the process and your custom wig. Now, how do we do it globally? Well, the answer is Skype.
You know, the perfect hairline that disappears so that you can put her tiara goes straight across her forehead. So this is all still in the reveal. And, you know, the lace will come down, ventilated fully around, you know, your whole hairline down here. So that'll be glued down. It'll all be glued down so that you can, it's super supported, yep, when you take it off.
Ever wonder what you get when you inquire about crowning your cosplay with a Hero Hair custom wig? Every email we receive from our website's contact page is answered with a personalized Hero Hair query or custom wig inquiry reply. This exclusive document, sent to you with no obligation to buy, serves as the complete breakdown of your custom wig or facial hair build by our studio, containing your wig's projected cost via our exclusive 3-tier pricing system. Sent in tandem with several other support documents, this one-of-a-kind PDF also contains links to video highlights of our con exhibitions, our nationwide cosplay wig panels, media spotlights, and articles about Hero Hair, as well as links to our educational offerings such as free hair tutorials and even our grand prize wigs that were crowned on the winners of AwesomeCon's annual cosplay competition. Information about our long-term payment plans and financing and our exclusive free client support and crew services over the lifetime of your wig are also included.
It's made with unicorn hair.
Down to the dent.